my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing slash try-on of my new 2 pairs of glasses that I got. For those who know me and have been following me for many years and follow me on other social medias, I wear glasses. In some videos, I will be wearing contacts, not that often, but like right now I'm not wearing anything, so I'm blind as a bat and I can't see anything. I can see the light that's on and I can like barely see myself in the screen, but can't see anything. So your girl wears glasses. As always, you guys know I partnered with my favorite company in the world. This is the only place where I get my glasses, my sunglasses with my prescription. Literally the only place and the only people that I trust. So I did get 2 pairs in the beginning of the year. Now these are going to be my next 2 pairs and I'm super excited because these are a little bit different but kind of have the vibes that I was having about like 3 years ago with the shapes that I decided. I am sticking with the same theme of like brown tone and gold tone glasses because that's just my favorite color, as you guys can see. I love gold and I love brown, I love cream. Very elegant, very demure. So let's unbox this bad boy. I always love that they always come packaged so nice and they always have a different color of like box. So this time around we have white boxes. I think I'm going to start with these ones. So as always, you open them up. They come in a glass case other than just the box. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I know which ones these are. These are the gold ones. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. Oh, these are nice. These are nice. So this is like a bronze gold type glasses. Don't know how to explain it, but so I'm gonna hold it right here. These are the pair. It's like a bronze gold. They do have the blue light on them. Do you guys process how cute I look? Like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna do a little close-up. So they're kind of ovally circly, if that makes any type of sense. It's like a good little mixture. It doesn't pass my face, it hugs the shape of my face. That's why I chose these. I used to have like bold circle ones and I felt like I looked like Harry Potter. Didn't fit me, fits other people's faces, so I went with this shape. And then I saw that they had like a gold type of a bronze type of frame. It's not gold like this, as you guys can see. So I was like, let me try it out because I feel like it's gonna go really well with my hair color that's growing and my skin tone. Obsessed. Okay, here I do have discount codes for next time, which I'll probably give to my sister and then she will use them. Oh, these are a little bit bigger. Okay, so these are beautiful. Oh my god, I didn't notice that. Oh, the color is so beautiful and it has like gold, but it has a heart. I don't know if you guys are gonna see that. Maybe when I go up close. It has a heart and then a pearl. I did not see that in the photo. This is so cute. Okay, and it's like the tortoise type of a vibe, but darker. Okay, I'm excited, I'm excited, I'm excited. Look at me. These are so cute. These are so cute. Okay, now I can't even decide which one's gonna be my everyday. Oh my god, these are cute. I love the hearts on the side. It's very cute. And then I love that it has these things right here so the glasses don't fall. Because I've noticed with like my other frames that don't have this, my glasses tend to like fall on the tip of my nose and I'm constantly pushing it back, or they just fall off. So I'm excited for the little cushions. I kid you not, Firmoo like literally never fails. I'm obsessed with these 2 pairs that I chose. I think I'm going to be wearing these daily just because of like the warmth of like the bronze look that it has going right now. I love it. but truly I am blessed. These are so beautiful. I love when I have new pairs of glasses. It's like a new purse for me. It's an accessory. It like throws my whole look together. So I'm super excited for these. Firmoo does have a Black Friday sale and a Cyber Monday sale that is coming up, and I highly recommend that you guys use my discount code that I have below. They're gonna have tons of sales, tons of good deals. I highly recommend you guys start looking at pairs of glasses so you guys are prepared, and then remember to use the discount code. I'm gonna leave everything linked down below. Oh, truly guys, the quality is amazing. Like, you guys don't understand. I've been wearing Firmoo glasses now for I think like plus than like 5 or 6 years now. Yeah, I am a loyal customer, like very loyal, and I will never leave them. As you guys can see, look at the quality, look at the quality. I can actually see you guys too, which is nice. Guys, don't sleep on these amazing deals. Like, you will not regret it. Their quality is there, their styles are there. Like, I've been a loyal customer for many years, and they have the best frames ever. In the description box below, I will be leaving the style and the number or / color of the frame for these ones and these ones as well. I will be leaving the discount code and then Firmoo's website down below and my discount code as well. I hope you guys have an amazing Black Friday shopping and Cyber Monday as well. That being said, remember to go to your eye doctor once a year, keep up with your prescription, buy new glasses, and take care of your eyes. They are very delicate and you don't want to ruin them. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!